Linking your bank account to Bank of Hawaii is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your bank account number, routing number, and any identification information required by Bank of Hawaii. Step 2. Log into your Bank of Hawaii account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the account linking section. Once logged in, look for the account services or link accounts section in the main menu. Click on it to proceed to the account linking options. Step 4. Enter your external bank information. Fill in the required fields with your external bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and finalize the linking process. After entering your information, review the details and confirm the linking request. You may receive a verification email or message to finalize the process. Follow any additional instructions provided. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Bank of Hawaii. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.